Good morning, one and all. Welcome to the session on internal combustion engines and air compressors. Today we will discuss about combustion in SI engines and CI engines and pressure crank angle diagrams, etc. Now, that what is combustion? What are the different issues and aspects of combustion of SI and CI engines? That combustion means the fuel. That fuel is a family of hydrocarbons, whether it is done using spark plug and other different process. That hydrocarbon combined with oxygen with help of different energies, that is spark plug or other. Then that hydrocarbon plus oxygen converted to that H2O plus CO2 plus heat, that Q, heat is Q. That hydrocarbon combined with O2, it is converted to one energy. That hydrocarbon combined with O2, that means this is one chemical form. That chemical form is converted into another form. The other form is heat, that is called heat energy. Now that combustion, sometimes that O2 is not sufficient and sometimes that O2 is excess percentages, sometimes in low percentages. At that time that reaction is not taken properly. Okay, that chemical energy is converted into that other form of energy. That other form of energy is heat energy. We are already discussed that exothermic equations in past lectures. That combustion can be considered as a relatively rapid chemical reaction of H2, carbon in the fuel with O2, that is oxygen in the air, resulting in the form of energy, that form heat. Now if you try to recollect different strokes in SI engines, so intake stroke and compression stroke, expansion or power stroke and exhaust strokes. These are the 4 strokes in SI engines. Now that intake stroke, that piston is travel from top dead center to bottom dead center. Then compression, piston again travel from bottom dead center to top dead center. Next stroke is power stroke or expansion stroke, again piston travel from top to bottom, and exhaust stroke, piston travel from BDC to TDC. These are the different strokes and piston displace top to bottom. Now we will try to discuss with you that SI engine conversion. That SI engines, that fuel plus air mixture in carburetor. That fuel plus air mixture, that mixture is called homogeneous mixture. That homogeneous mixture supplied to in cylinder through inlet manifold or intake valve. That combustion takes place end of the combustion stroke. That zone is called combustion zone. For example, this is the piston and display cylinder diagram. This is the line diagram. Now here air entering into the carburetor. This is fuel. That air plus fuel mixture in carburetor. That air plus fuel mixture, that mixture is homogeneous mixture. That homogeneous mixture entering into the in cylinder through inlet manifold. Now that piston is travel from TDC to BDC, top dead center to bottom dead center. Intake stroke is done. Next stroke is compression stroke. Again piston travel from BDC to TDC. Here volume is reduced, pressure increased, temperature increased. That pressure and temperature is raised. End of the compression stroke, little bit pressure and temperature is rises gradually. That high peak pressure and peak temperature occurs only after compression stroke. That crank angle around 17 degrees. Now that end of the compression stroke, that homogeneous mixture, this is spark plug. Okay, this is spark plug. With help of spark plug, combustion takes place in cylinder. That combustion is that flame, that combustion takes place in cylinder. That combustion is close to spark plug. That combustion is close to spark plug. This is flame distribution with different layers. For example, once combustion takes place in cylinder with help of spark plug, continuously the temperature and heat increase in cylinder. With help of the temperature, remaining fuel plus air react with that temperature. Again one flame is generated. That combustion is continuously generated. For example, if you considering in your domestic stoves, with help of lighter, once you generate spark, automatically flame will be generated. Once you start with help of lighter, that combustion is continuous, takes place. Same phenomena done in cylinders, that is SI engines also. Okay, now that flame propagate only near to spark plug. Okay, that flame propagate only near to spark plug. Okay, I can say that statement combustion means that family of hydrocarbon combined with O2, that chemical equation is converted into, that chemical energy is converted into another form of energy. That another form of energy is called heat energy. This is called as combustion. Then combustion is classified into two types. One is normal combustion, another one is abnormal combustion. Again that abnormal combustion subclassified into two types. That abnormal combustion subclassified into two types. One is pre-ignition, another one is detonation or knocking. That detonation or knocking is formed based on that pre-ignition. Okay, once you stop that pre-ignition in cylinder, automatically that knocking and detonation are stopped. Pre-ignition is stopped, should not occur in cylinder that knocking. Okay, now that normal combustion takes place in cylinder. That flame developed, that spark travel without any fluctuation, without any cavitic situations across the combustion chamber. That across the combustion chamber, that flame distribution is uniform. That spark is travel uniformly throughout the cylinder. The type of combustion is called normal combustion. Okay, the type of combustion is called normal combustion. That means this is piston and cylinder arrangement, that once combustion takes place in cylinder with the help of spark plug, that flame propagate throughout the cylinder, that spark travel throughout the cylinder uniformly without cavity situations. Okay, now that abnormal combustion means that spark could travel across the combustion chamber is not uniform, that flame developed once combustion takes place, that flame will be developed in cylinder, that spark travel across the cylinder is not uniform, that type of combustion is called abnormal combustion. Here the combustion, the quality of combustion is depending on the three factors. One is quality of fuel, another one is air fuel mixture, another one is size and shape of the combustion chamber. These are the three different main factors. Okay, now that abnormal combustion means combustion takes place in cylinder, once flame developed in cylinder, that flame, that spark travel across the combustion chamber is not uniform. Okay, this is called abnormal combustion. Then pre-ignition. What is pre-ignition? Pre-ignition means once combustion takes place in cylinder, automatically the temperature and heat raised in cylinder, the temperature is increased gradually, that now the temperature increased, piston head and cylinder walls and cylinder and piston rings and intake valve and exhaust valves, these phases the temperature is increased gradually based on that engine running conditions and engine running hours. The temperature and heat formed like spots, that red spots is formed on the faces, that piston face and cylinder valves and intake and exhaust valves. That red spots acting like a secondary flame front or artificial spark plugs. These red spots acting like a artificial spark plugs. Okay, based on this artificial spark plugs, that flame propagate the different directions in cylinder. Okay, I can say that statement, a few spots like piston face, cylinder valves, exhaust valves and also intake valve become overheated under certain operating conditions. These spots act like an artificial spark plug and ignited the adjacent fresh combustion charge. This is called pre-ignition. This is called pre-ignition. Then what are the consequences of pre-ignition? That pre-ignition is not a desirable phenomena, and because of this phenomena the combustion process becomes both erratic and uncontrollable. Okay, that pre-ignition is not desirable phenomena, and because of this phenomena the combustion process becomes both erratic and uncontrollable. Okay, based on this consequences and pre-ignition, the detonation or knock will be formed. Now you consider that cylinder is a circular. This is engine cylinder. Okay, this is cylinder. Here this is the main flame front, this is spark plug. Okay, this is spark plug, this is the main flame front. Once this is exhaust valve, this is intake valve. Once that air fuel mixture entering into the in cylinder, end of the compression, with help of spark plug, that flame will be generated. That flame travel across the cylinder with the different directions. Then overheated that valves, piston valves and piston rings and exhaust valve and inlet valve and piston faces, everywhere the red spots formed. The red spots acting like a artificial spark plug. This is artificial spark plug, this is another artificial spark plug, this is another artificial spark plug. This is 1, this is the main flame front, this is 2, this is secondary flame front, this is 3, secondary flame front, this is 4, secondary flame front. These 3 are secondary flame fronts, this is main flame front. What happened in this cylinder? If velocity of the flame front is high, there is no issue, but that velocity of flame low, that speed is low, that another flame collide to that another flame. That means this is one flame, this is one flame, this is another flame. These 3 are called secondary flame fronts. So this is also called as artificial spark plugs, that artificial flames. This is the main flame. Now that velocity is high, there is no issue, that flame travel across the cylinder, but that velocity is low. Here that flame propagate like this, that flame propagate like this in different layers. Here also that flame propagate in different layers like this, and this side in different direction, and this side also in these directions. Now that 4 flame collide with one point, here formed that noise, that is audible noise. That audible noise is called knock. It is called as detonation. This is called as detonation. So this is brief explanation about that combustion and different types of combustions and different aspects and different issues in cylinder, in combustion, especially in SI engines. Okay, today we will stop here. That combustion in CI engines continue in next class. Thank you.